Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change eBay account to business account. So if you have been using the eBay as your personal account where you just simply sell your personal belongings or some collectibles, but now you want to turn it into a business, or maybe you have started a business and you just want to sell it on your business eBay. So I'll show you in this video how you can do it. Also, you can find its link in the description below. So first you have to simply open the eBay on your browser and make sure you're logged in with your account. And once you have logged in, you will be onto this homepage. Now here you have to understand that there's a criteria to change your personal account into business on eBay, which is that you have sold out three products on eBay. If you haven't done it, then you cannot change it to business. So first you have to sell the three products, then you will be able to sell it. But if you haven't sold out three items, don't worry, you can still watch the video so you can get the idea. If you complete three sales, then how you can do it. So first you have to simply go to your eBay homepage. Now you can see we have so many different options, but you have to go to there and click on my eBay and select the first option, which is the summary. Once you click onto it, it will just take a while and will take you to your summary of account. Once you get there, again you will find we have different options. So from all these options, you have to first click onto this account option. Once you click onto it, you will get into your account settings, or in general you can see you will find information related to your account. And once you get there, on the left side you will see we have some more options as well. So from all these options, you have to simply select this personal information, which is under the personal info. Once you tap onto it, you will get there you will find your personal info related to your account. Now what you have to do here is that here you can see the second option is account type. So right now it is set as individual, that means this is a personal account, and we don't have any such option to change it right now because this account hasn't sold out three items yet. But if you have, so you will see the edit option under the other edit options. So what you can do in that case, you can click onto that edit option, and through you can just simply change the type of your account. You will find the option up there, you have to click onto it and then you can change it. So to change your personal account to your business, you have to provide some information. Like first you have to simply give the name to your business, then its time, like category, which industry it is related to, how big it is, where it is located, it is address, how many people work under it, and what type of business is this. You have to just simply explain up everything, and then you can change your personal account to your business account on eBay. But first you have to make sure that you have done three sales in 1 year. If so, then you can just simply do it, otherwise you couldn't do it. This is the criteria by eBay, so we have to fulfill it. There's no other option against it. So this is the simple option. If you have sold out three items, then you will see the option for edit, through which you can do it. It is that simple. You have to just simply give information related to your business and it will allow you to change it. Later on, you can start selling your products. You can list them. You can do everything that you normally do on eBay, and you can just simply start running your business through eBay. So that's it. This was all about how you can change your eBay account to your business account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.